Hi, my name is Dr. Jeremy Taylor. I'm a chiropractor here in Fort Worth, Texas. I just wanted to share some amazing incidences that I've had after attending Dr. Bonebreak's T-TAP seminars. Two of them specifically. One was a woman who came in literally right after the seminar, and she comes in and I ask her to sit, and she can't sit down because her hip is so painful. And she proceeds to tell me that she had her left kidney was, when she was born, was on the right side of her body, like in her lower hip area. And it was actually causing some issues, so ended up having it removed, but the resultant scar tissue had created some cysts. And ever since, she's had a lot of pain there. She eventually sat down while she was telling me her story, but she had to sit down with her leg completely extended on that side. So I noticed she had a pretty significant bunion on that foot, and I remember from the seminar that manipulating that big toe in a certain way will help out with ovarians, cysts, and PCOS and a bunch of other issues in that reproductive area. So I had her lay on the table, and I asked her just bear with me. I was excited, but I was like a little leery. I'm like, let me just try this. It won't take very long. And so I manipulate that big toe, and it was very painful for her. But after about 2 minutes, we kind of reached this plateau, and she started feeling like the tension in her hip just dissipate. And I had her sit up, and she was about 3 feet off the ground, and she sat up completely fine on that table. And, before she had to sit down and her leg was completely extended. She was 3 feet off the ground. She starts lifting up her leg. She's like, I feel a little tight there, but I have no pain right now. And, I was just as shocked as she was. It was pretty impressive. So I try this on my patients, especially when they have a bunion or something and they're a female patient, they have some issues in that area. I had another one who had some cysts that were forming, and every time she went to the doctor, it actually gotten a little bit bigger, and she was about to have surgery on it. And I'm like, okay, let me try this. And again, she had a bunion on her foot. This was on the left side of her body, and I was manipulating that big toe, and she could literally feel, she said, it feels like the cyst is draining. She felt like this water pressure release. It was kind of warm, and when she went into her doctor after a month, she's like it was completely gone. So I don't know what it is. It's some voodoo stuff. Dr. Bonebreak can explain it much better than I can, but those were two amazing incidences, and it's something that I try, and we get a lot of great results. So if you want to be that voodoo doctor in your area and do stuff that most chiropractors and most other docs can't do, I highly recommend you attend some of his seminars. Thank you.